Ethereum killer Dfinity slaps Facebook's Meta with a logo lawsuit. Ouch. Double lawsuit. Back-to-back lawsuit stories. Yeah, that looks a lot like Meta, but it's also the infinity sign. It's an 8 on its side.
How do you trademark that? The infinity sign.
You know what? The infinity sign is really cool.
It is very cool.
It's way cooler than Apple's loop.
Apple's loop?
You know how Apple loves the loop and infinite loop, and then their headquarters is just a circle? And the infinity sign is cooler than a circle.
Yeah. It's got
you like it better
spice.
as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Meta made an M out of it, though.
A floppy M.
I'm sure that's how they describe it internally.
So can you make it more floppy?
You talking about the floppy M? No, the new logo.
It actually kind of looks depressing. Why can't it flip the other way?
It looks like a sad face.
Because then it will look like a W.
It's very like droopy.
Because then it wouldn't be Meta anymore.
Right.
It would be Weta.
Well, do they look similar? What do you guys think?
Yeah, similar, yes. Identical, no. And actually, I like the Dfinity one better. So you just hang on to it. But Meta's enormous, and Meta's got all their lawyers too, and they go around policing it. They went They went and stole some social media profiles and other things. When Web2 social media giant Facebook rebranded to Meta, it apparently neglected to run its new logo by Web3 player Dfinity. The Switzerland-based Dfinity Foundation, the developer of the internet computer blockchain, has sued Meta for trademark infringement in the U.S. District Court, alleging that the latter's looping logo too closely resembles Dfinity's infinity symbol. Dfinity claims in the suit, filed April 29th, Meta and Dfinity seek to attract the same users, namely those who are looking for an innovative and different user experience created by users for users. Facebook's foray into the metaverse, which brings with it the possibility of NFTs and other Web3 elements, threatens Dfinity's brand, although the brand is perhaps worth less than before ICP launched in May 2021. Okay, so here's the comparison. There, you just scroll down. I think they're going to be right beside each other. There you go. I don't know. You guys in the comments make the call on what you think about this. I think they're far enough apart. That's my take.
Yeah, different colors as well. I agree.
I think they're far enough apart, but if I had to pick one, I think the Dfinity one is way cooler. So, and
it also has like a 3D kind of aspect to it.
Yes.
This little curve.
Well, maybe that's the part they're referencing, because the Meta logo does have a gradient thing happening. It's not different colors, but it gets lighter and darker in order to insinuate the fact that it's looping all the way around. Yeah. It's definitely playing on the infinity symbol.
Yeah.
So there is some of that. I don't know. Maybe they have a case. Maybe they'll get a few bucks. That's probably all they want is a few bucks, and then they'll leave it alone. I don't picture the Meta logo changing all that much at this point.
No.